Good morning, students. Students, as we know that we are going through chapter 4 from Flamingo, and the title of the chapter is The Red Trap. And as we know that this chapter is written by Selma Lagerlöf, and the whole of the story revolves around the main character of this chapter, the red trap sailor or the peddler. In the previous lectures, we have read that when the Iron Master recognized that the stranger was not his regimental comrade, so he at once asked him to get out from their home. देखिए, जब आयरन मास्टर को पता चला या जब उसने रिकग्नाइज किया कि जो स्ट्रेंजर था या जो रेड ट्रैप सेलर था वो उसका अपना पुराना साथी नहीं था, पुराना रेजिमेंट का साथी नहीं था, तो नाराज हुआ और उसे जाने को कहा. बट हिज डॉटर एडला विल्मैनसन stopped him from going there as she wanted the stranger to stay with them and celebrate Christmas with them. And she took him to the table and asked him to eat. We have read that the stranger also did not cause any trouble. He kept on sleeping all the time. अब देखिए, स्ट्रेंजर ने भी कोई परेशानी उत्पन्न नहीं की, वो केवल सोता रहा और he kept on sleeping at one stretch on the sofa of their guest room. So children, today we shall start the second paragraph of page number 41. Now see the book, see the text of this chapter. देखिए, in the evening when the Christmas tree was lighted, they woke him up again. देखिए, शाम को जब क्रिसमस ट्री को लाइट किया गया तो उन्होंने उसे फिर जगाया. The Iron Master and his daughter woke the stranger up again, and he stood for a while in the dining room. He came and stood for a while in the dining room, blinking as though the candlelight hurt him. अब देखिए, at this the stranger came to the dining room and he was blinking in such a way that the candlelight was also hurting him. देखिए, स्ट्रेंजर वहाँ पे आया, डाइनिंग रूम में खड़ा हो गया और ऐसा प्रतीत हो रहा था कि जो कैंडल लाइट थी वो भी उसे हर्ट कर रही हो. बट आफ्टर दैट ही डिसअपियर्ड अगेन. बट आफ्टर दैट ही अगेन went away from there. 2 hours later he was aroused once more. After 2 hours he was again aroused by the Iron Master and his daughter. अब देखिए, 2 घंटे के बाद उसे फिर उठाया गया. He then had to go down into the dining room. तब उसे डाइनिंग रूम में जाना था and eat the Christmas fish and porridge, और क्रिसमस फिश और पॉरिज खाना था. मीनिंग that by he had to go to the dining room to have his dinner. As soon as they got up from the table, he bent around to each one present and said thank you and good night. अब देखिए as soon as they finished their dinner, तो the stranger went around to each one present there. Each one present there stands for the iron master and his daughter were there. So he went to them and said thank you and good night. अब देखिए जब उन्होंने अपना भोजन समाप्त किया उसके बाद स्ट्रेंजर उठा और आयरन मास्टर और उसकी बेटी से उसने थैंक यू और गुड नाइट बोला. बट व्हेन ही केम टू द यंग गर्ल शी गेव हिम टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट वाज हर फादर्स इंटेंशन दैट द सूट व्हिच ही बोर वाज टू बी ए क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट. He did not have to return it, and if he wanted to spend next Christmas Eve in a place where he could rest in peace and be sure that no evil would befall him, so he would be welcomed back again. अब देखिए when he came to say thanks and good night to Edla Wilmanson, तो Edla Wilmanson at once said to him that it was her father's intention, it was her father's desire that the suit which he was wearing, so he should consider that as a Christmas present from their side, and he need not return it. अब देखिए जब वो एडला विल्मैनसन के पास आया तो एडला विल्मैनसन ने उससे कहा कि ये उसके पिता की इच्छा थी कि जो सूट वो पहने हुए था तो वो उसे उनकी ओर से एक क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट समझे और उसे वापस करने की आवश्यकता नहीं थी. एंड इफ ही वुड लाइक टू सेलिब्रेट द नेक्स्ट क्रिसमस विद देम, he would like to celebrate the next Christmas in a place where he would feel himself comfortable, so he would be welcomed back again. और उसने ये भी कहा कि अगर वो नेक्स्ट क्रिसमस उस स्थान पर सेलिब्रेट करना चाहता हो जहाँ पर उसे शांति मिली हो तो वो निश्चित रूप से वहाँ पर आ सकता है, उसको वेलकम किया जाएगा. The man with the red traps did not answer anything to this. अब देखिए the red trap seller remained silent. He had no words to express his gratitude. इस पर देखिए जो रेड ट्रैप सेलर था वो शांत रहा और उसने कुछ आंसर नहीं दिया. He remained silent. He only stared at the young girl in boundless amazement, and he kept on staring, looking straight at the young girl in limitless astonishment, amazement. और वो उस लड़की को असीमित आश्चर्य के साथ देखता रहा. The next morning, the iron master and his daughter got up in good season to go to the early Christmas service. अब देखिए the next day iron master and his daughter got up early in the morning and they got up in good mood, good season. अगली सुबह आयरन मास्टर और उसकी बेटी अच्छे मूड में उठे जैसा कि उन्हें क्रिसमस सर्विस के लिए जाना था. Their guest was still asleep. उनका मेहमान अभी भी सोया हुआ था. Who was their guest? The stranger. The red trap seller was their guest. And they did not disturb him. And the iron master and his daughter did not disturb him and let him sleep. और आयरन मास्टर और उसकी बेटी ने उन्हें डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया. When at about 10 o'clock They drove back from the church. The young girl sat and hung her head even more dejectedly than usual. अब देखिए, when nearly at about 10 o'clock they had to drive back from the church. अब देखिए, लगभग 10 बजे जब उन्हें चर्च से वापस आना था, तो the young girl was sitting there and she was hanging her head in disappointment than usual. तो उसकी जो बेटी थी, अर्थात जो एडला विल्मैनसन थी, वो वहाँ पर बैठी हुई थी और बड़े निराशा के साथ अपने सिर को नीचे किए हुए थी. At church she had learned that one of the crofters of the ironworks had been robbed by a man who went around selling rat traps. Because at the church they came to know, the iron master and his daughter came to know that one of the old crofters of the ironworks, crofters means farmer, so that they came to know that one of the old farmers of the ironworks had been robbed by a man who went around selling rat traps. क्योंकि उन्हें वहाँ चर्च में ये पता चला कि रामसजो आयरन वर्क्स का एक पुराना एक बूढ़ा किसान था, एक ओल्ड मैन था, उसको एक ऐसे व्यक्ति के द्वारा लूट लिया गया जो कि यहाँ वहाँ रेड ट्रैप्स बेचते हुए घूमता फिरता. मीनिंग देयर बाई दे केम टू नो दैट द ओल्ड मैन वाज robbed by that red trap seller whom they gave shelter and with whom they celebrated Christmas. So children, we shall see, we shall go through the next lecture in the next video. Thank you.